Hi, and this is my video resume. My name is Muhammad Usaid bin Muhammad Azmi. I am 20 years old and I recently completed my diploma in business studies at College Yayasan Pelajaran Johor. I'm graduating with a CGPA of 3.70. I'm currently applying for the position of staff manager as I believe this role aligns very perfectly with my background in business, my leadership experience, and my passion for managing operation and people. I'm excited to start my career and contribute to a team where I can learn, grow, and bring real value. Why I choose this job? I'm the type of person who enjoys organizing tasks, helping others stay focused, and ensuring everything runs smoothly a day-to-day basis. I also see this role as a great opportunity to apply what I have learned in my diploma program, while I will continue to grow professionally in a company that values team management, communication, and initiative. Although I am a fresh graduate, I have gained practical work experience through various part-time jobs during my studies, and each one taught me something important. I have worked in customer service, where I handled transactions, took orders, and communicated directly with customers. This helped me develop problem-solving skills and patience when dealing with high-pressure situations. I've also worked in kitchen and food preparation roles, where I learned about speed, teamwork, and hygiene standards. I have also been involved in delivery operations, which required me to manage time efficiently, follow routes, and stay committed to my tasks every day. From this experience, I have developed several skills that I believe are highly relevant to the staff manager role. Some of the skills is team supervision and coordination, strong communication skill in both English and Malay, task and time management, proficiency in Microsoft Office, Google Sheets, and basic video editing, and most importantly, the ability to adapt quickly in my environment. I will guarantee you I will showing up every day with a positive attitude, being accountable, and doing things the right way, even when no one is watching. I enjoy motivating cheers, learning new systems, and supporting a team to that we can work efficiently and professionally. As a fresh graduate, I may not have years of experience, but I bring energy, dedication, and discipline that you expect from someone ready to grow in this position. I would love the chance to work in a company that values responsibility, structure, and growth, and I'm confident that I can contribute from day one. You can reach me at this number or via email from here. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video resume. Once again, I'm Muhammad Usaid bin Muhammad Azmi, and I look forward to the opportunity to be part of your team. Have a nice day.